My family's ag story dates back to my grandfather during the World War II era, coming here as a bracero, contracted to come and pick fruits and vegetables up and down the state, including the Central Valley. My father, he made his way also to the Central Valley to come and work undocumented in the fields because he wanted to provide his family and his future generations, along with my mom, a better life and a better opportunity. And today, I will say that myself and my 4 other siblings have done just that. We've learned the power of working hard, grit, resiliency, which we learned it by working in the fields. And today we're giving back to the same community that gave us the opportunity through ag to be able to be in leadership and make our communities a better place for all the families that live in our region. The last immigration reform happened 40 years ago under Ronald Reagan, and as a result, over 80% of our farm workers are undocumented today. In our current environment and with the type of immigration enforcement that is occurring, we are seeing labor shortages impacting our local communities. Those shortages will impact the affordability of the food that we can buy in the grocery stores today and into the future.